A soldier's salary is 104,000 naira. No be me talk am o. This one is coming out from soldier. Before una go talk say na they no send me come again. Make una listen o.
All right. For the record, a soldier's salary is 104,000 if you enter. If you don't spend 5 years, they give you new rank. Your salary is 112,000 naira. If you spend 10 years, they give you another rank, which is corporal. You earn 115,000 naira. That is, if you spend 5 years and if you spend 10 years, the difference of the salary is 3,000 naira, 112,000 and 115,000. If you spend 15 years in the service, 15 years, 15 years, your salary is 125,000 naira. Then if you spend 20 years in the service, your salary is 150,000 naira. This implementation starts this year. Before now, the soldier salary is 50,000 naira. If you spend 5 years, they give you one rank because the rank self sometimes na 5 years. Some people, some forces they do and 6 years. You go do 6 years before they give you rank. Some go tell you go do 5 years before they give you rank. So if you spend 5 years, somebody is the 5 years, and they give you new rank, your salary will be 52,000 naira. If you spend 10 years, your salary will be around 60,000 naira. Then if you spend 15 years, your salary will be around that kind of 70,000 naira. And if you spend 20 years, your salary should be around that kind of 90,000 plus. However, there are other allowances. You get what you call, you get the allowance now compulsory. Like for Navy now, they call them, how you call them? For Navy now, they call them diving allowance. Diving allowance for Navy is 25,000 naira. All personnel are entitled to it. I don't know for now if they don't increase them. Army, they call them grumbling allowance. The allowance is 20,000 naira. Navy collect 25,000 naira. Army collect 20,000 naira for that grumbling allowance every month. Then Air Force, I don't know how they call their own, but I think it's also the same range. So if you join out with your salary, that's what you earn for the month. If they carry you go somewhere like location, if they get someone who they pay there, they will pay you too. But if they place like Abuja, if you calculate all those money, if you use and pay transport, for Abuja, you will not take remain for your hand. Once you pay transport, your friends will call you, oh boy, I need this thing. Your family will call you, need this thing. You want buy this thing for yourself. You want buy data. You want save. You want fill gas. You want buy food. Inside that much. I see, let me even put that as a person who don't even hang one rank. And maybe let me say, approximately inside 150,000 naira. Your wife will call you. Your mother will call you. If you get children a day, you yourself, you want eat. You want buy another clothes. Your friend, one or two, you want, okay, let me give you small thing. You want buy data. You want save. Transportation. So that money. So, I just tell you so that you go know. Make it not be as if nobody enlighten you before you join. Yeah? So, just get and clear. That's the salary structure for now. You understand? As a person just entered at 104,000 naira, 5 years in the service, 112,000 naira, 10 years in the service, 115,000 naira, 15 years in the service, 125,000 naira, and lastly, 20 years in the service, 150,000 naira. Peace.
So if you want, if if they recruit you no inside Nigeria Army, your salary na 104,000. You know reach $70. You know reach $70. So I want tell you, go and research how much all these our senators, House of Rep member, our governors are earning monthly. And those who are taking risky, sacrificing their own life to protect this country called Nigeria are earning peanuts monthly. Even after 5 years or 10 years, their salary never reached $200. Ha! Wow.